Hello, Cook Rangers. It's Mr. Floyd. We're here with our science lesson. We're starting something new in science this week. We're going to start a section called Plants in Gardens and Fields. So we're studying plants, and the first chapter we're going to read is chapter 1. What is a plant? What is a plant? So before we start reading, we're going to go over our vocabulary for what is a plant. These are words that you'll need to know that you'll see in today's science reading. All right, let's go over the words. Look, grow, plant, water, carry, drop, under, Julie, plant, garden, seed, soil, root, water, food, stem, leaf, flower. All right, find this vocabulary page that says what is a plant and practice those words, and then find your story, print it out. It'll look like this on the front. It says plants and gardens and fields. And when I come back, we're going to read the first chapter 1, what is a plant, and I'll read through the whole thing together, and then you can go back and take your time and reread the story on your own. All right, go ahead and find those pages. Okay, welcome back. Now that we've gone over our vocabulary for the story, we're going to go ahead and read the story. Chapter 1, what is a plant? Julie looks at the plants in her garden and yard. The plants are growing and changing. Plants are living things. Julie loves to watch her plants grow. And at the bottom, there's a question to think about. Why are plants living things? What makes them living things? Next page. Most plants start as seeds. Julie plants seeds in her garden. She waters the seeds so they will grow. All the parts of a plant grow out of the seed. There's a question. What do all plants start as? Next page, page 4. Roots start growing from the seed. The roots grow down into the soil. The roots get food from the soil. The roots soak up water and minerals from the soil. The minerals and water help the plant to grow. Here's a question. What would happen if a plant's roots did not grow? Page 5. The seed also grows from a stem. The stem grows up and out of the soil. Leaves grow on the stem. The leaves help the plant make food. What part of a plant grows above the soil? Okay. Page 6. This is our last page. Most plants are flowering plants. Flowering plants can make flowers, fruits, and new seeds. Seeds from the plant fall to the ground. These seeds make new plants. This is called the plant cycle. Julie likes to plant seeds in her garden. And the last question there asks, what does the plant need to make so that new plants can grow? All right, that was our little reading today for science, and that was chapter 1, what is a plant? We'll come back in just a minute. Take your time, read through it again on your own, look at all the pictures, think about those questions at the bottom of the page, and when we come back, we'll do our questions and answer choices. Okay, we've already read chapter 1, what is a plant? We've gone over all the vocabulary words, so we are ready now to go through our questions and answer choices. There's 10 questions. I'm going to read all the questions and answer choices all the way through, and then you go back and take your time, read through the stories, and figure out the best answer for each of the questions, and you're going to circle it on your answer sheet. All right? Question number 1 says, what is this chapter about? Is it about food? Is it about a ball? Or is it about plants? Question number 2, what do plants do? Do they run? Do they grow? Or do they read? Question number 3, what gets water for the plant? Bees, sunlight, or the roots? Question number 4, what makes a new plant? Seeds, shovels, or clouds? And question number 5, what is important to know about this chapter? Plants are living things. Julie likes the plants in her garden. Or flowers are in the garden. Which one of those is the main idea? The next page starts with question number 6. 6 through 10 always can have more than one correct answer. So listen to all 3 answer choices, and then you pick all of them that are correct. It could be 1, could be 2, could be all 3 of them. Question number 6. What do the roots get from the soil? Water, trees, minerals. Mark all of the correct answers. Question number 7. What helps the plants make food? Restaurants, microwaves, or the leaves? Question number 8. What grows out of the soil? Shovel, the leaves, or the stem? Question number 9. What do plants make? Plants make flowers. Plants make seeds. Plants make houses. Question number 10. What happens during the plant cycle? A plant makes flowers or fruits. B, the seed falls to the ground. C, new plants grow from seeds. Remember, on those, you pick all the correct answers. All right, I hope you've enjoyed reading our story for this week, our little science lesson on what is a plant. In your packet, you're going to see an extra science lesson this week, and you can go ahead and do that one on your own if you have extra time next week, because this is our last week for videos. Next week will be the last week of school, so we won't have any new lessons next week. All right. Thank you, Cook Rangers.